Hello everyone. In this video we will be discussing about break and continue statements in C. So these are the two keywords actually. Break is the keyword and the continue is the keyword. These are the two keywords. How these two keywords are going to be used, that we will be discussing in this video. Okay. So these two topics actually we can discuss by directly with the help of code. Okay. Let us assume that I am having a for loop like this. Okay. So for example, if I am printing printf %d \n comma I. Okay, this is the code I am writing. Obviously, what is the output we are going to get? We are going to get the output from 1 to 10, right? 1 to 10, all the values will be printed. Look at, these are the values we are able to print, right? So for example, if I kept like if I double equals to 5, okay, I have kept the condition. If I double equals to 5, then I applied break. Okay, so what I have written, so if I double equals to 5, I have used, if this condition is true, I use the keyword break. Look at what is the output we are going to get here. We are going to get the output only 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 only we are going to get. The reason behind is, what happens is, generally if we don't have this particular step, if it will be printing, it is asking for 10 times this for loop is going to run, and when I equals to 1, 1 will be printed. When I equals to 2, 2 will be, like that 1 to 10 all the values are printed. But whenever we applied this keyword break keyword, when I equals to 5, means what we are doing is, we are making this for loop to run for only up to I equals to 4. Whenever when I becomes 5 and the condition is true and you are coming inside, right, that whenever the I is becoming 5, the break keyword is going to be working on it. So this will halt the entire further steps to be executed. Further steps after when I equals to 5, after that the steps are not going to be executed. For loop is going to stop at I equals to 5. That's why, that is the reason we are going to get the output 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, if this step, I am removing this step here and I am applying here, can you guess what is the output we are going to get now? So now the output what we are going to get is, you just check out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to 5 also we are able to print. Then you can ask me why we are able to get 5 here. You look at it, when I equals to 1, 1 will be printed, then I becomes 2, 3, 4, up to 5 also printed. After printing the value 5, then only you applied the break statement. That's why you are able to print 5 here. If suppose after this condition is executed and we are trying to print that I value, now we are not able to print that 5. The loop is going to stop at the when I equals to 5, and this 5 is also not printing. Why? Because the control stopped here itself. The control got stopped here itself. I value is 5 is there, but the control will not be leading to this place as you applied break before itself. So this is how the break statement works, break keywords work. Now let us work on the continue keyword. So instead of break, the same code I am writing, instead of break I am going to apply continue. There is one more keyword called continue. Now see here what is the output we are going to get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You observe. Which one is missing? 5 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. But 5 is not there here. But 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. Means what you are telling to a system that when I equals to 1, you print 1. When I equals to 2 also 2 will be printed. When I equals to 3, 3 is also printed. When I equals to 4, 4 also printed. When I equals to 5, as this condition is getting true, you are asking the computer to continue. Means at that time, that only one time when I equals to 5, the further steps will not be executed. Directly from here you will go for I plus plus, and that I becomes 6. That's why that 5 is not going to be printed. You see here one more time. What is the output we are going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. 5 except 5. Means that particular, up to the particular condition, the further statements are not going to be executed. They are going to be skipped. And directly it will go for I plus plus. That's why 5 is not printed. But 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are going to be printed. Let us do small modifications. Now can you guess what is the output we are going to get for this? One up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are asking to continue. After 5 only you are asking, you are, this particular condition is not going to work whenever the I becomes 6. Means with this what happens is the control is going to skip when I equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 the values are not going to be printed. So less than or equals to 5. For example, if I am writing less than or equals to 8. Now can you guess what is the output? Up to 8 all the values are going to be skipped. Printing of values are going to be printed. But from 9 the values are going to be printed. 9, 10 only going to be the output. You just observe. What is the output we are going to get here? 9, 10. This is how the break and continue statements works. You can see here, let me write down up to one more example, 20. I less than or equals to 3. Means what is going to happen? If this is step is not there, the values are going to be printed from 1 to 20, right? If this is step is available here, means you are going to skip off printing the statements 1, 2, 3. Up to 3 the values are not going to be printed, but from 4 you are going to get the output. What is the output you are going to get? From 4 to 20, you just see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all these values are this. And one more example I am showing you. I equals to, I double equals to, I have written 15. Now what is the output we are going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 also printed. But 15 will not be printed. You see here. Except to 15, all the values are going to be printed. You see, 14 is there, 15 is not there, 16 is there. That's what how the break and continue statement works. So this is about break and continue statements. Hope you understood. Thank you.